In this video, we will be focusing on the program flow of a for loop program. Start by copying the code provided into Atom and compiling it with G++ just like you did in the previous video. Insert a breakpoint on line 7 and configure a new debugging session. Select the file that was created with G++ and press debug. This program is intended to see how a for loop operates. First, we have created the size of our array, which is going to be 3, and we initialize an integer array with a size of 3. The for loop is an elegant and compact solution to loop through arrays. We will initialize an integer I to be 0, and then have a conditional check, much like the while/do loop had. Lastly, we increment I by 1 to move through the array. These conditions are checked before the for loop is executed for the first time and every time it completes one loop. This can be seen here as I step over in the program flow. I is 0, size is 3, and this is the array contents. It will jump back up here, and I will run it again. Then it increments I by 1, and the size still stays the same. And here is your array again. In this program, it will print each member of the array and quit. Once the check becomes false, the program will go to the return statement. For another example, the only change I will make to this program is adding a equal sign to this check right here. Once you make the appropriate changes to the program, compile it, and then proceed to set a breakpoint on line 7, and then go to Packages and create a new debug session. Find the file, and then press Debug. As we step over in the program, it behaves as normal, but as I continue to step over and the value increments, there's something interesting that happens once I becomes 3. And I try to access something in the array at position 3. Right here, it gives me this garbage output. This is the case because arrays start at 0 in C++. It is 0, 1, 2, and so on. 0 indicates the first element in the array, and 3 would not indicate the third element of the array, it would indicate the fourth element of the array. Since we did not set any data to the fourth element of the array, it will give us this garbage output. And this concludes the 4th video of the Atom debugging series.